Welcome to Paris to the Huawei Ascend P7 launch event. You're one of the first to see the new Huawei Ascend P7. We designed the phone with the perfect finishing, with the heritage of our Ascend P6 and P1 in the past. So you have the double C shape, which is one C here, you have another C shape here, combining into this beautiful product. We have Gorilla Glass on the front and on the back, and we have our micro texture below the glass to make the metal appearance of the phone, to make it really stand out, make it brilliant. There's 7 different layers of micro texture to make this beautiful effect that you can also see with the white version here. On the front you have a 5-inch Full HD display with a huge PPI, better than the competition actually, with a brand new version of the Emotion UI 2.0. and with all the latest and greatest technology that you need in a flagship product. We support all LTE bands to cover worldwide networks. In terms of hardware features, we have a great 13 megapixel Sony sensor on the back, the latest generation Sony sensor for all the best pictures you can do, together with our own software improvements. And on the front, because selfies is still the big trending feature, we have an 8 megapixel camera with a 5 lens layer lens in front of that to make it outstanding and industry unique. So on the camera you can see the front-facing camera, you can actually see the back-facing. We bring the smart mode, the smart engine, the new generation. So the phone actually does all the tweaking of the features for you. You don't need to do that yourself. So you don't need to worry about HDR, not HDR, what it is. The phone will do that for you and handle that. With the Ascend P7, we designed a phone that is actually built to be long-lasting, with a long standby, long use time, so you can enjoy all the benefits of the phone and of LTE, 4G LTE. We have an L-shaped PCB within the phone to have better thermal performance and actually to reduce the heating and to reduce the power that is consumed. And we also have a high-density battery packed inside. If this is not enough for you, we introduce the Ultra Battery mode. So when you go to Ultra Battery mode, it actually means that all the features that run in background will be disabled, and you will be locked down, or the phone will be reduced to voice call and messaging and your contacts like a feature phone. This mode gives you from the last few percentage of battery in use, it will give you about 30% and 1-day usage in ultra low power mode. We have a 5-inch Full HD display. We have the latest high silicon chipset, the Kirin 910T quad-core with 1.8 gigahertz clock speed, 30 megapixel camera on the back, 8 megapixel camera on the front, which is outstanding in the industry. It comes with the latest Android 4.4. You have 2 gigabytes of RAM and you have 16 gigabytes of ROM. It all run on a 2000 milliamps battery, 2500 milliamps battery, to provide the best performance in the market. It will be available in black, and you will have the white version, and there will be a pink version available for a recommended retail of €449, 449, starting from June this year.